Looking to work with startups from anywhere, Outsourcely connects remote freelancers with exciting opportunities at startups around the world. Simply create a profile, showcase your skills, and start applying to projects that match your expertise. It's the perfect platform for finding a flexible, startup-driven freelance gigs. So hey guys, and welcome back in another video where I will show you step by step how to use Outsourcely connect startup with remote freelancers. The first step that you have to do is just open your browser and dive into all remote jobs. They will find this page as you can see. So first let's know what is Outsourcely. So it's an online platform that connects startups with remote freelancers for long teams and project-based work. It allows freelancers to create profiles showcasing their skills and experience, while startups can post job listings to find talent. Unlike many freelance platforms, Outsourcely focuses on helping startups find dedicated remote workers for ongoing collaborations, offering both flexibility and stability as well. So the first step that you have to do is just open your browser and dive into your outsourcely only, and then you click over the first website that it appeared to you, and then you'll find this page, or you can just here dive into allremote.jobs, and then you'll find this page. So right now all I have to do is just click over sign up in the top right, and you'll find the page which is this one. Here we have wait join our community. I will just here click over continue with Google, and then I will just click over here the email. So then I will click over continue, and here we have it right now. See all jobs. As you can see, we have my account, the fastest growing community for remote work, stay local, work global. We have here various things that you have to know. So to use Outsourcely, you have just to sign up and create a profile that highlights your skills and experience. Browse draw job listings from startups looking for remote freelancers. Apply to the project that match your expertise and preferences. Once hired, you can collaborate directly with startups on long-term or project-based work. It's a great way to find flexible, remote opportunities with growing companies. So if you have, I will just click over see all jobs. You will find here filters, or you can just search for job title. I will just click over filters here. First, we have your job types. As you can see, you have just to select if you want here full-time on contracts. We have your job categories such as design, full stack programming, front-end programming, back-end programming, customer support, DevOps, admin, sales and marketing, management and finance, product, all either remote, and you click over done. Then you have also if you want to search for a specific job title, and then you get started. So you have all remote jobs from across the globe recruiting now, and we have no jobs found. So let's just here, for example, delete all these things, product, customer, all right. So you have just right now to search for a specific one. I will select data. And right now also we have here several things. It's just for example for towns how all remote works, remote jobs, remote companies, resume builder, referral program, job hackathons. We have here for employers, hide from remote. Here we have build and manage team remotely. Then we have a resource such as job descriptions, remote tools, blog, remote hiring, guide, sourcing talent, and HR glossaries. Then we have here in the top, here we have the dashboard, as you can see. About the dashboard, you find the all remote jobs helps you in all aspects of your job search. Our exclusive community that is designed to help you learn, grow, and explore your passions more. So you have to get verified, cut through the clutter, get your skills vetted, and we ensure that you land a job within weeks. Get in touch. We have your certification that works, get certification that is recognized by most remote companies. Understand now. Get a job in 18 days. We will match jobs to your resume and get your offers. Once you are verified, we ensure that you get multiple offers within 10 days. And also we have required multiple resumes, get interview, training, rate your resume. And we have several things here, remote roles and the various things. So that's it for the dashboard. Right now, let's just here click over your resumes. For this one, you have just to click over create new resume and you get started by the first step, which is select a template. For example, I will select this template. Then we have a create your resume again. If you want to create a resume, already have a resume. Just click over here and then you'll find these pages. You can see you have just right now here resume title. First by just here also firstly add personal titles, job title. Then you want to upload a photo, first name, last name, email, phone, and then you have edit additional details such as the country, city, address, postal code, dive in license, nationality, place of birth, then we have the date of birth, and we have also hide additional details such as your professional summary. Just to put here this one, if you want a hidden one, hidden toe, about the world, if you want to make it italic and all that, and we have your alignment, and that's it. Of employment history, add new employer details, education history, add new education details, skills we have also here for a multi. So we have also courses, extra activities, internship, hobbies, languages, references, links, entitled as well. And then you click over save or you click over download or you can just select a template. So this is for create template. Then we have also here other things that could help you in this platform. For example, we have here for talent, how remote works, remote jobs, remote companies, resume builder, referral program, job hackathons, skill. So for example, I will just here add how remote. You'll find a page which is this one. And here we have how it works. Remote jobs, remote companies, resume builder, referral program, job hackathons. Then we have here skill assessment. For employment, you will find here hire from all remote, build and manage team remotely. Here we have also about this one, you find here products, hire full-time employees, hire contractors. Then we have your customers overview, CTO, HR. We have your pricing company as well. If you want to book a demo, you click over here or looking for a job if you want. So we have various things in this platform that could help you to getting started with our remote companies. Alright, so Outsourcely is a fantastic cool platform for freelancers seeking remote work with startups. It offers long-term and project-based opportunities, allowing you to work flexibly with growing companies. By creating a strong profile and applying relevant jobs, you can connect with exciting startup projects and build lasting freelance relationship. So this is it for this video guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again in the next video.